हाय फ्रेंड्स, आज का जो मेरा टॉपिक है वो है प्राइम कोट और असफाल्ट के बारे में, जो कि इससे मुख्तलिफ एमसीक्यूज आ रहे हैं मुख्तलिफ एग्ज़ाम में और इंटरव्यू में। तो मैंने भी इस तरह के इंटरव्यू का सामना किया है, तो आज मैं वो अपने एक्सपीरियंस की बिना पर यहाँ पर वो एमसीक्यूज यहाँ पे आप लोगों के साथ शेयर कर रहा हूँ। तो सबसे पहले है वाई इज़ इट नेसेसिटी द प्राइम कोट मस्ट बी फुली ड्राई। तो इसका आंसर है बिकॉज इट इज़ अप्लाइड टू वाटर बॉन्ड absorbent surface. If prime coat is too wet, then it cannot be absorbed properly. What is prime coat or tack coat? Quantity formula. इसका आंसर है prime coat is equal to weight of prime coat divided by area of board, that is equal to kilogram per meter square. So what is tack coat? Tack coat से ये related question है. What is the medium covering prime coat? That is MC0, MC1 and MC2. इसका आंसर है emulsified asphalt diluted with an equal quantity of water 1:1 is called tack coat. Temperature 10 degree to 60 degree. Rate of application, that is 0.30 to 0.60 liter per meter square. Curing time should be 2 hours. Temperature 10 degree to 60 degree. Ambient temperature not less than 13 degree centigrade for both. Why do we need tack coat or prime coat, and what is difference among that? Answer है before laying any asphalt material, the existing surface should be clean and dry. Any loose material on existing surface can affect the compaction and bonding or asphalt layer on moisture on existing surface, can cause crack in asphalt layer. Why should you cut the joint straight or clean? Apply tack coat. So its answer is that to obtain a proper bonding with new asphalt to get neat joint. So asphalt work के बारे में some question है. What do you understand by bitumen mix or asphalt concrete? इसका आंसर है asphalt is used in the surface layer of road. The mix is composed usually of aggregate and asphalt cement. Some type of bituminous mixes is also used in base course. The design of asphalt paving mix, as with the design of other engineering material, is largely a matter of selecting and proportioning constituent material to obtain the desired properties in the finished pavement structures. What do you understand by dense bitumen macadam asphalt concrete? Its answer is that dense bitumen macadam is mixture of bitumen and coarse mineral aggregate. Asphalt concrete is mixture of bitumen and well-graded, high quality mineral aggregate laid and compact while hot. Next question is that what are the different types of pavements? इसका आंसर बहुत ही आसान है. There are two main types of pavement in road structure, that is the flexible and rigid pavement. Question है what are the different types of asphalt? इसका आंसर है there are four main types of asphalt. Number 1 hot mix asphalt concrete. Number 2 warm mix asphalt concrete. Number 3 cold bake asphalt concrete. Number 4 mastic asphalt concrete. What are the grades in asphalt? इसका आंसर है 40, 50, 40 by 50 और 60 by 70. ये ज़्यादातर इस्तेमाल हो रहा है कोल्ड एरिया में, और ये जो asphalt इसको हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं वार्म एरियाज में. What is meant by traffic analysis? इसका आंसर है to determine the present and future traffic volume for pavement design purpose. How the total thickness of asphalt pavement is determined? इसका बहुत ही आसान सा क्वेश्चन आंसर है by engineering design procedure. Factor consider in the procedure are: number 1 traffic to be servo over the design surface life, that is the cumulative number of 80 kilonewton standard axle, that is the axle load. द स्ट्रेंथ, नंबर 2 द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द प्रिपेयर्ड। सो नंबर 2 है द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द प्रिपेयर्ड सबग्रेड, that is the BR value. This is the very important for calculation the asphalt thickness determined. तो फ्रेंड आज का ये रहा मैच का मेरा वीडियो। क्योंकि ये जो क्वेश्चन है ये मुझसे पूछे गए थे डिफरेंट इंटरव्यू में, तो मैंने आप लोगों के साथ भी शेयर किया। तो ये इसका रहा पार्ट 1। जो और वीडियो जो और MCQ है वो भी इंशाल्लाह मैं आप लोगों के साथ नेक्स्ट वीडियो में ज़रूर शेयर करूँगा। तब तक के लिए मिलते हैं, अल्लाह हाफिज़।